How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode we have the new product finally. So this is the new Hydro Slick. This is on the line of Hydrosat, Hydrocharge, and now they get this Hydro Slick ceramic coating hyper wax, which is a gel application. They said that this one is easier to apply. You put it on, you can wait around 30 seconds and buff it off. Some people have been complaining about this product because they say it's really hard to remove. Once you apply it, if you wait more than 30 seconds, they say it's really hard to remove. But I know that if you use very little product, it's gonna work great. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna show you what this new SiO2 infused technology Hydro Slick is. Let's see how it works. Let's see how easy it is to remove, because they say it's super easy, just like wax. And the best way to apply it, they said on Chemical Guys that you can use an applicator or microfiber towel. In this case, I'm gonna use a foam applicator to put it on the truck, and let's see how it reacts to a black truck. And this product works really good on paint, on glass, on headlights, taillights, wheels. So I'm gonna use it on the headlights, on this side, on the hood, windshield, and wanna do some testing. Let's see how the water beading is on a side that we don't have anything, and on the side with the Hydro Slick. The price for Hydro Slick is around $40 plus tax, and that's at the recording of this episode. So I have my bottle ready. I'm gonna apply few dots on the applicator. I will say only 3. I don't want to spend a lot of time removing it. And you see how it moves? Jelly. And this one smells pretty much like the Hydrocharge. Let's see on the application how it goes. It went to a haze really quick. I think I need some more. Now it's applied. We're gonna wait just a few seconds and remove it. We're ready. Let's remove it and see if it's really hard to remove. Remember not to do this in direct sunlight because it's not recommended. It's not really difficult to remove, but I think the Hydrocharge is a lot easier. But it's not really bad, to be honest. I don't know why people complain too much. Okay, but yeah, it's not super easy. It's just like when you apply water wet wax. If you apply water wet wax, you know that if you do it by hand, yeah, it's gonna be not really easy, but not that difficult too. Okay, so pretty much that's it. If you see, yes, you have to put some elbow grease just to completely remove it, but it's not really bad, to be honest. The next step, I'm gonna do half of the windshield, and let's see the response of the Hydro Slick on glass. Now let's do the glass. Same thing, I'm gonna use like 3 dots of product. it goes to a haze really quick. I want to see how the water beading is gonna be on the glass too. It's not really bad when you apply it on glass. I think it's already been like 30 seconds. Let's remove it. Yeah, I think it's more difficult to remove on glass. And this glass, I did clay bar and everything, so this glass is super clean. But yeah, it's kind of hard to remove. Thing is clean now, not really bad, but yeah, take some time and some elbow grease. Okay guys, so we're gonna do a little water test on this side with hydro slick. The other side is not being treated, but remember, my truck has hydro charge, so it already has ceramic. But I just wanted to see on the glass, mainly because the glass I cleaned it with alcohol, so it should be nothing in there. I'm gonna spray first the glass and see how it works. For this test, I applied this like an hour ago. So you're supposed to wait 24 hours for the product to cure, but I'm just trying to do a little test. That's the untreated side. And this is the treated side. To be honest, I'm not gonna see a lot of difference on the hood because, like I said before, I already had hydro charge in there. So yeah, I need to do it in a car that is not being treated. But still, yeah, it's pretty much the same on the hood. So not a lot to see in there. I don't see much difference on the glass either. Yeah, I can tell. You can see how the water on that side stays on the glass. Water beading is not a lot of water beading on that side. And on this side, water beading is really good. And this is just gonna prove the hydro charge works good, because every time that I drive when it's raining, the water just do that. Sometimes it's just moving around without touching the paint. So great protection. So it's not a lot to see here, like I said, because hydro charge, hydro slick is just one more layer of protection that I'm putting on it. But on the glass, I see the difference between non-treated side and treated side. So water beading is really good on the glass. If you apply a lot, it is gonna be hard to remove. But if you apply just a little amount of product on the panels, you're not gonna have a lot of problems while you remove it. This is just a little tip from me, guys. Don't apply a lot. Make sure that you do little sections at a time and buff it off. Make sure that you put some elbow grease so you can remove everything. Let it cure for 24 hours, which that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna apply it right now, let it cure. So this is the way I do it. Apply hydro suds to give it a wash, then apply hydro charge to give it a coat of protection, and now I'm gonna apply the hydro slick as one more layer of protection. So guys, if you have any questions, please comment down below and I'm gonna be happy to help. So link is gonna be in the description for the hydro slick and the microfiber towels, because I use some edgeless microfiber towels. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.